Hello, dear friends. Welcome to the Bedtime Lab, a cozy corner of the universe where we explore the wonders of the cosmos, guiding you gently towards a peaceful night's sleep. As you settle in and find comfort, let us embark on a tranquil journey through the stars, drifting softly upon cosmic dust and stardust, those magical particles that tell stories older than time itself. Before we delve too deeply into this enchanting topic, I invite you to share where you're joining us from tonight. It's always a delight to know where in the world our fellow travelers are listening from. Perhaps you're nestled in a quiet corner of a bustling city, or maybe you're tucked away in the serene countryside. Wherever you are, I'm so glad you're here with us. Now, let me share something interesting about cosmic dust. Did you know that every day, Earth is showered with over 100 tons of this dust? It sounds like an astronomical amount, but these particles are so minuscule that they drift softly to the ground, unnoticed by most, yet they are everywhere around us. Speaking of dust, here's a fascinating fact. Cosmic dust is one of the building blocks of planets. Yes, the very ground beneath our feet shares a history with the stars above. It's truly humbling to think that parts of us, and everything we see, were once floating in the vast expanse of space. And did you know that stardust carries the elemental ingredients for life itself? Elements like carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen, essential to life on Earth, are forged in the heart of stars. Can you imagine? The air we breathe and the water we drink have traveled light years across the cosmos. This reminds me of another captivating fact. When you look up at the night sky, you are seeing a tapestry woven with stardust. Each twinkle is a story, a glimpse into the ancient past where stars have lived and died, scattering their essence across the universe. Here's something to ponder. The cosmic dust that fills the space between stars and planets is so fine that a single grain is smaller than a single wavelength of light. It dances through the cosmos, invisible yet vital, tracing the pathways of solar winds and gentle breezes. Speaking of solar winds, they play a significant role in moving this stardust. These winds, charged with energy, sweep cosmic dust across vast distances, carrying it from one star system to another. It's as if the universe has its own gentle breath, carrying secrets from distant shores. And here's a soft whisper of a fact. The colors of cosmic dust are as varied as a painter's palette. When light from a distant star passes through clouds of this dust, it can scatter and refract, creating beautiful hues of blue and red that paint the universe in its magnificent glory. Now, let's dream a little. Some of the stardust that reaches Earth has been traveling for millions of years, a journey so long and wondrous that it's almost beyond comprehension. These tiny particles are ancient travelers, silent witnesses to the evolution of galaxies. Did you know that our own solar system was born from a cloud of cosmic dust? Over billions of years, gravity worked its magic, drawing these particles together to form the planets, the sun, and all the celestial bodies that orbit around them. We are, quite literally, children of the stardust. And as you close your eyes tonight, remember this: the atoms in your body, the ones that make you who you are, were once part of a distant star. The universe is within you, a beautiful connection that binds us all to the cosmos in an eternal dance. Isn't it comforting to know that in the vastness of space, we are all made of the same stuff? Stardust is a universal language, a gentle reminder of our shared origins, and a testament to the awe-inspiring nature of the universe. As we continue our journey tonight, I hope you'll find peace and wonder in these stories of cosmic dust and stardust. Rest assured, there's so much more to explore, and I'm here to guide you through it all, softly and gently, until we reach the dawn of a new day. Let us continue our gentle voyage through the mysteries of cosmic dust and stardust, exploring the universe with the curiosity of a child peering into the night sky. Here's something truly enchanting. Cosmic dust has a golden shimmer. When it is gathered and studied under a microscope, it sometimes reveals tiny flecks of gold and platinum, precious metals that are not only rare, but also reflect the grandeur of the cosmos. It's a reminder that beauty and value exist in the most unexpected places. Have you ever wondered how cosmic dust is created? Stars are the artisans of the universe, crafting these delicate particles during their life cycles. When a star reaches the end of its life, it often expands into a red giant and then sheds its outer layers, releasing clouds of dust into space. This dust then becomes the raw material for new stars and planets. It's a poetic cycle of life and rebirth on a cosmic scale, where destruction gives way to creation. Here's a surprising thought. Our solar system is constantly moving through regions of varying cosmic dust density. Imagine the vastness of space as a sea, with currents of dust flowing through it. As our solar system journeys through this sea, the density of dust can affect phenomena like meteor showers and even the brightness of the night sky. So, the next time you see a shooting star, remember that it's a direct interaction between our world and these cosmic particles. Speaking of meteor showers, did you know that they are essentially cosmic dust shows? The bright streaks of light you see are caused by tiny grains of dust burning up in Earth's atmosphere. These dust grains are usually no larger than a grain of sand, yet they create such a beautiful spectacle as they light up the sky. It's a gentle reminder that even the smallest things can leave a lasting impression. And here's a fact that might surprise you. Cosmic dust can affect the climate of planets. For instance, when Earth passes through thick clouds of interstellar dust, it can lead to temporary cooling or warming trends. This interaction between cosmic dust and planetary climates underscores the subtle yet significant influence of the cosmos on our everyday lives. Now, let's consider the role of cosmic dust in the formation of comets. Comets are often thought of as dirty snowballs, but they are actually composed of dust and ice, remnants from the early solar system. As comets travel towards the sun, their icy surfaces evaporate, releasing dust particles that form the iconic tails we see streaking across the sky. These tails are like cosmic trails, marking the journeys of these ancient travelers. Here's another fascinating tidbit. Cosmic dust has been found in the most unexpected places on Earth. Scientists have discovered these tiny particles in the sediments of ocean floors, trapped in Antarctic ice, and even in the rooftops of city buildings. It is a testament to the pervasiveness of cosmic dust and its ability to reach even the most remote corners of our planet. Did you know that interstellar dust grains can act as tiny laboratories? Within the icy mantles of these grains, complex organic molecules are formed, some of which are the precursors to life as we know it. It's astounding to think that the building blocks of life might be crafted in these tiny, cold laboratories, drifting silently across the cosmos. Speaking of life's building blocks, cosmic dust plays a crucial role in star formation. In the cold, dark regions of space known as molecular clouds, dust grains help to cool the gas, allowing it to collapse under gravity and form new stars. Without dust, the birth of stars would be a much rarer event, and the universe would be a much darker place. This reminds me of another intriguing fact. The colors of nebulae, those stunning clouds illuminated by nearby stars, are largely due to the presence of cosmic dust. When light from stars interacts with dust, it creates breathtaking hues of pink, blue, and green, painting the vast canvas of space with cosmic artistry. These nebulae not only captivate our imaginations but also serve as nurseries for new stars. Let me share something delightful. Cosmic dust can also be musical. When radio waves pass through dust clouds, they can create faint, rhythmic patterns that scientists can convert into sound. These cosmic symphonies are not only a joy to listen to, but also provide valuable information about the composition and movement of dust in space. Here's an astonishing thought. Cosmic dust contains traces of the very first stars. These ancient stars, known as population 3 stars, lived and died in the early universe, seeding it with heavy elements that eventually became part of subsequent generations of stars and planets. As we study cosmic dust, we're uncovering stories from the dawn of time, connecting us to the origins of the universe itself. And just imagine this. Every year, hundreds of tons of cosmic dust settle on Earth's surface. This continual exchange between Earth and the cosmos links us to the broader universe in a tangible way, highlighting our planet's unique position in a vast and interconnected cosmos. As we drift further into this cosmic narrative, let these stories of dust and stars fill you with a sense of wonder. The universe is a majestic tapestry woven with the threads of cosmic dust, each particle a testament to the incredible beauty and complexity of the cosmos. As you close your eyes tonight, remember that you are a part of this grand story, a stardust traveler on a journey through the infinite. Did you know that cosmic dust can actually help us map out the structure of the Milky Way? It's true. These tiny particles scatter and absorb light in very specific ways, allowing astronomers to trace the contours of our galaxy and understand its shape. Just as you might draw a map based on shadows cast by trees and buildings, scientists use the shadows and glows created by cosmic dust to chart our cosmic neighborhood. Here's an enchanting fact. Cosmic dust can travel vast distances across the universe. Some particles that we find on Earth might have started their journey billions of years ago, ejected from distant supernovae or ancient stars. This interstellar travel makes cosmic dust a kind of universal traveler, carrying with it the history of the cosmos. It's fascinating to think that the dust settling in your garden could have originated from a star that exploded long before our solar system even existed. Speaking of supernovae, did you know that these colossal explosions are a major source of cosmic dust? When a star reaches the end of its life and goes supernova, it releases a significant amount of dust into space. This dust carries with it a variety of elements, like carbon and silicon, which are essential for the formation of planets and even life itself. So, in a way, our existence is linked to these cataclysmic but life-giving events. Cosmic dust doesn't just float aimlessly in space, it actually plays a key role in shaping galaxies. Dust can absorb and scatter the light of stars, influencing how a galaxy appears when we observe it. In some cases, dust clouds can even trigger star formation by compressing the gas around them. It's a reminder of how interconnected everything in the universe truly is, with small particles having a profound impact on large-scale structures. Here's something that might surprise you. The color of cosmic dust can reveal a lot about its composition. For example, dust containing more graphite tends to be darker, while silicate-rich dust can appear more reflective. By analyzing the colors of dust clouds, Scientists can infer the types of materials present and glean insights into the processes that formed them. It's like deciphering a cosmic code where each hue tells a different part of the story. And consider this. Cosmic dust has a significant impact on the brightness of celestial objects. When light from stars or galaxies passes through dust clouds, it can be dimmed or reddened, a phenomenon known as extinction. This effect is so pronounced that it can sometimes make distant galaxies appear fainter than they actually are, challenging astronomers to account for dust when measuring the universe's expansion. Did you know that cosmic dust is also responsible for the beautiful halos around bright stars in photographs? When light interacts with dust particles in the interstellar medium, it can create a soft glowing halo effect that enhances the beauty of starry skies. These halos not only add to the aesthetic of astronomical images, but also provide clues about the distribution and density of dust in space. Here's a delightful tidbit. The presence of cosmic dust has been detected in the atmospheres of exoplanets. As these planets orbit their stars, they can pick up dust particles from their surroundings. By studying the light that filters through these dusty atmospheres, scientists can learn about the planet's compositions and even search for signs of potential habitability. It's like peering into an alien world through a veil of stardust. Speaking of alien worlds, did you know that cosmic dust can help shield planets from harmful cosmic radiation? Dust in space can act as a barrier, absorbing and scattering high-energy particles that might otherwise strip away a planet's atmosphere. This protective quality of dust highlights its importance in maintaining conditions suitable for life, not just on Earth, but potentially on other planets as well. Here's an intriguing fact. The study of cosmic dust has led to advancements in technology here on Earth. The techniques developed to analyze tiny dust particles, such as spectroscopy, have been adapted for use in fields like medicine and environmental science. So, in a way, our exploration of space has tangible benefits that ripple through various aspects of our daily lives. Did you know that cosmic dust is a key ingredient in the formation of new planetary systems? Dust grains within protoplanetary disks collide and stick together, eventually forming planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. This gradual accumulation of dust and gas is how planets, moons, and other celestial bodies come to be. It's a slow but awe-inspiring process, reminding us that great things often start from small beginnings. And here's something to ponder. Cosmic dust can even influence the chemistry of interstellar clouds. When dust particles catalyze chemical reactions, they can transform simple molecules into more complex ones. This process is essential for the formation of many organic compounds, including those that might lead to life. It's amazing to think that dust, often seen as mere debris, can be a catalyst for life-giving chemistry. Finally, consider this. Cosmic dust is a silent witness to the universe's past. By studying ancient dust particles, scientists can piece together events from the early universe, such as the formation of the first stars and galaxies. Each dust grain holds clues about the conditions and processes that shaped the cosmos, offering us a window into a time long before our planet came into being. As you close your eyes and drift into slumber, let the wonders of cosmic dust carry you gently through the vastness of the universe, where each particle tells a story as old as time itself. Imagine the awe-inspiring journey of cosmic dust, traversing the vast expanses of space. This journey isn't just a meandering drift, it's a voyage filled with interactions and transformations. Did you know that cosmic dust actually forms in the outer layers of aging stars? When stars like our Sun expand into red giants, they shed their outer layers, creating dust that is then scattered across the cosmos. These particles are the seeds from which planets, and perhaps even life, can grow. The sheer volume of cosmic dust in our solar system is staggering. Scientists estimate that tens of thousands of tons of this space dust fall to Earth each year, making it an integral part of our planet's natural cycle. Picture that, a constant, gentle rain of tiny starborn particles, silently adding to our world's mass as you sleep. Speaking of this constant rain, it's fascinating to think about how cosmic dust has played a role in the formation of Earth's atmosphere. Some of these particles, as they enter Earth's atmosphere, burn up and create shooting stars. But more than just a beautiful spectacle, these burning particles release gases and other materials, contributing to our atmospheric composition over billions of years. It's like the universe leaving its signature in our skies. And here's something that might spark your imagination. Cosmic dust can carry water across the stars. Some dust grains encapsulate tiny ice crystals, and as they travel through interstellar space, they might deliver water to dry regions of a galaxy. This delivery system could have been crucial in bringing water to early Earth, setting the stage for the emergence of life. Can you envision these microscopic carriers of life-giving water spreading their precious cargo across the universe? Intriguingly, cosmic dust isn't just a passenger in space. It also serves as a cosmic architect. When dust particles collide, they can stick together and form structures like filaments and clusters. These structures can eventually become the framework for entire galaxies. It's a grand design, woven from the tiniest of threads, shaping the very fabric of the universe in ways we are only beginning to understand. Another surprising aspect of cosmic dust is its role in astrological phenomena. For instance, the zodiacal light, that faint ethereal glow you might see in the night sky just after sunset or before sunrise, is due to sunlight reflecting off cosmic dust in our solar system. This gentle illumination is a reminder of the pervasive presence of dust, even in our immediate cosmic neighborhood. And consider this: cosmic dust is a natural recorder of solar history. Particles that have journeyed through space and landed on Earth can hold information about solar winds and radiation from millions of years ago. By studying these ancient grains, scientists can reconstruct the history of our Sun's activity, offering insights into the forces that have shaped our solar system. There's also something quite magical about how cosmic dust reveals itself in the infrared spectrum. While it might be invisible to the naked eye, dust shines brightly in infrared light, allowing astronomers to map and study vast stretches of the universe that were once hidden. This ability to see the unseen opens up a whole new dimension of cosmic exploration, unveiling the mysteries of the universe, one dust grain at a time. Speaking of unveiling mysteries, some cosmic dust contains clues about the building blocks of life. Scientists have discovered complex organic molecules on dust grains in space, including amino acids, which are essential components of life as we know it. It's as if these tiny particles carry the potential for life with them, scattered like cosmic seeds across the galaxy. And let's talk about the intriguing role of cosmic dust in art. Did you know that some artists incorporate space dust into their works? Whether it's using meteorite fragments in sculptures or creating paints infused with stardust, these creations bridge the gap between the cosmos and the terrestrial, allowing us to hold a piece of the cosmos in our hands. In a more practical sense, cosmic dust is also a tool for space exploration. For instance, dust detectors on spacecraft can provide valuable data about the environments they traverse. These instruments help scientists understand the density and composition of dust in different regions, which can inform future missions and enhance our knowledge of space weather. Finally, consider the interconnectedness of cosmic dust and life on Earth. Some theories suggest that cosmic dust might have been a catalyst for the development of life here. By acting as a medium for chemical reactions in the early solar system, dust could have contributed to the synthesis of complex organic molecules, paving the way for life to flourish. It's a humbling thought that the very particles drifting silently through space might hold the key to our origins. As you drift into a restful sleep, let the whispers of cosmic dust guide your dreams, each particle a tiny storyteller of the universe's grand narrative. May you find peace in the thought that we are all, in a way, connected by this stardust, part of a cosmic tapestry that extends far beyond our earthly bounds. Imagine the vastness of space, and within it, cosmic dust plays a subtle yet profound role in shaping the universe. Did you know that cosmic dust can influence the weather on Earth? These tiny particles can serve as nuclei for cloud formation, affecting precipitation patterns and even climate. So, the next time you see clouds gathering, it might be intriguing to consider the possibility that some of those clouds began their journey in the far reaches of the cosmos. Speaking of journeys, cosmic dust is rather durable, enduring the harsh conditions of space travel. These resilient grains can traverse vast interstellar distances, surviving radiation and impacts that would obliterate most earthly materials. This endurance means they can carry information from their places of origin, a sort of cosmic postcard detailing the environments from which they came. Here's a delightful surprise. Cosmic dust can also be a source of nutrients. As these particles settle on planets, they bring with them essential elements like iron and magnesium. Over time, these elements can enrich soil and provide vital nutrients for plant life. It's as though the universe itself is gardening, sprinkling its celestial fertilizer across planetary surfaces. And in yet another fascinating twist, cosmic dust can act as a record keeper of galactic events. Embedded within these particles, tiny inclusions can preserve the history of supernovae or other cosmic phenomena. By studying these inclusions, scientists can glean insights into the life cycles of stars and the dynamic processes that occur in galaxies far beyond our own. Did you know that cosmic dust can emit music of a sort? As these particles travel through space, they can produce radio waves detectable by sensitive instruments on Earth. This phenomenon allows astronomers to hear the universe in a way, tuning into the symphony of cosmic interactions that play out across the vast stretches of space. And speaking of interactions, cosmic dust can impact the orbits of planets and moons through a process known as the Poynting-Robertson effect. Dust grains absorb sunlight and re-emit the energy, which causes a tiny drag force. Over eons, this subtle force can alter the paths of celestial bodies, showcasing the profound influence these tiny particles can have on the cosmos. Here's another intriguing fact. Cosmic dust can be a harbinger of changes in planetary environments. For example, the discovery of certain isotopes within dust grains can indicate past volcanic activity or atmospheric shifts on planets like Mars. By analyzing these isotopic signatures, scientists can reconstruct the environmental history of other worlds, gaining a deeper understanding of their evolution. It's also worth noting that cosmic dust has its own unique aroma. When these particles are heated, they release compounds that can produce a scent reminiscent of almonds or burnt oil. While we cannot directly experience this aroma in the vacuum of space, such discoveries offer an unexpected sensory connection to the cosmos. And did you ever wonder how cosmic dust contributes to the colorful tapestries of nebulae? These particles scatter and absorb light, creating the vibrant reds, blues, and greens that we see in images of these celestial clouds. The interplay of light and dust paints the universe with a palette of colors that tell stories of creation and transformation. Furthermore, cosmic dust can serve as a tool for timekeeping in space. By examining layers of interstellar dust that have settled on celestial bodies, scientists can estimate the age of surfaces, much like reading tree rings on Earth. This method provides valuable clues about the chronology of events in our solar system and beyond. And, intriguingly enough, cosmic dust can also act as a catalyst for chemical reactions. When these particles collide and interact with gases in space, they can trigger the formation of complex molecules. This catalytic property might have been essential in the early universe, facilitating the creation of compounds that are precursors to organic chemistry. Then, consider the protective role cosmic dust can play. Dust can form a protective shell around young stars, shielding them from intense radiation and helping to regulate their temperature. This cocooning effect is crucial for the stability and development of newly formed stars, illustrating how even the smallest particles can have nurturing roles in the cosmos. Lastly, let me share an inspiring thought. Cosmic dust is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things. These grains, born from the explosions of stars, drift across the galaxy and eventually become part of planets, moons, and even life itself. We are, in a sense, stardust, connected to the universe in ways that are both profound and humbling. As you ponder these facts, let them soothe your thoughts, like gentle waves of cosmic wonder lulling you into a restful slumber. Here's an intriguing idea for you to consider. Cosmic dust can actually play a role in the formation of new stars. When enough of these tiny particles accumulate in a region of space, they can create a dense cloud. Over time, this cloud can collapse under its own gravity, leading to the birth of a new star. It's a beautiful cycle, isn't it? Dust, born from stars, can eventually give rise to new stars, continuing the cosmic dance of creation. Another fascinating aspect of cosmic dust is its ability to create halos around stars. These halos can scatter and reflect light, giving the stars a soft, glowing appearance. This is particularly common in young star systems, where dust is abundant. The beauty of these cosmic halos is a gentle reminder of how dust particles can enhance the splendor of our universe. Can you imagine cosmic dust as a key player in the chemistry of life itself? It's true. Dust particles can harbor the basic building blocks of life, such as amino acids and other organic molecules. These components may have been delivered to Earth and other planets via cosmic dust, seeding potential life through the universe. Speaking of life's building blocks, did you know that cosmic dust can also act as a delivery system for water? In the cold depths of space, molecules of water ice can cling to dust grains. As these grains make their way through interstellar space and eventually to planetary surfaces, they can deliver water, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. Now, let's turn our gaze to the rings of Saturn. Cosmic dust plays a pivotal role in maintaining these stunning rings. The constant bombardment of cosmic dust grains helps to replenish and sustain the rings, balancing the loss of material to Saturn's gravitational pull. It's like a cosmic maintenance crew, ensuring the rings remain a stunning spectacle in our night skies. Have you ever wondered about the role of cosmic dust in the creation of planets? During the early stages of planetary formation, dust grains collide and stick together, gradually forming larger bodies. These growing objects, known as planetesimals, eventually coalesce into fully formed planets. Without dust, the planets we see today, including Earth, might never have existed. Here's a surprising thought. Cosmic dust can act as a natural lens, magnifying distant objects in the universe. This process, known as gravitational lensing, occurs when dust and other matter bend the light from objects behind them. It allows astronomers to observe galaxies and phenomena that would otherwise be too faint or distant to see, revealing secrets of the cosmos hidden from the naked eye. And here's something truly delightful. Cosmic dust might even play a part in the art of comets. As a comet approaches the sun, its icy surface warms, releasing dust and gas that form a glowing coma and tail. The interplay of sunlight with the dust creates breathtaking displays in the sky, turning these icy wanderers into celestial artists. On a more somber note, cosmic dust can act as a silent witness to catastrophic events in space. When a massive star ends its life in a supernova explosion, the resulting dust can carry signatures of this dramatic event across the galaxy. By examining these dust grains, scientists can piece together the story of the star's explosive end and its contributions to the cosmic landscape. Let's return to the concept of cosmic dust as a time capsule. Within these ancient grains, scientists have found clues about the formation of our solar system over 4.5 billion years ago. By studying isotopes and other features within the dust, researchers can reconstruct the conditions and processes that shaped our cosmic neighborhood. Now, consider the surprising role of cosmic dust in maintaining the delicate balance of our solar system. The zodiacal light, a faint band of light visible from Earth, is caused by sunlight reflecting off interplanetary dust particles. This glow provides clues about the distribution and composition of dust throughout our solar system, helping us understand the balance and dynamics at play. And did you ever think that cosmic dust could influence the colors of the sunset? When dust from volcanic eruptions or desert storms drifts high into the atmosphere, it scatters sunlight, enhancing the reds and oranges we see at dusk. It's a reminder of how cosmic and earthly elements intertwine to create the beauty of our natural world. Here's another surprising fact about cosmic dust. It can act as a natural shield. Dust clouds in space can absorb and block harmful cosmic rays and radiation, providing a protective barrier for regions of space where new stars and planets are forming. This shielding effect is crucial for preserving the delicate conditions necessary for the growth of young stars and the development of life. Lastly, let me share a thought that might spark wonder in your mind. Cosmic dust serves as a link between the past, present, and future of the universe. Each grain carries with it the history of its origins, from ancient stars to interstellar journeys, and eventually to its role in forming new celestial bodies. It's a testament to the enduring cycle of the cosmos, where even the smallest particles have stories to tell. As you lay here, contemplating these facts, let them be like whispers of the universe, lulling you into a peaceful, starry slumber. Let me share something intriguing. Cosmic dust doesn't just float aimlessly through space. In fact, it plays a significant role in forming new stars. When regions of space become dense with dust and gas, gravity starts pulling these particles together, eventually igniting the formation of a newborn star. Isn't it fascinating to think that something so small and seemingly insignificant can lead to the birth of a star? Speaking of stars, did you know that cosmic dust is also responsible for some of the most beautiful nebulae we observe? These vast clouds of dust and gas create stunning light shows when illuminated by nearby stars. The interplay of light and dust in nebulae gives rise to vibrant colors and ethereal shapes, painting the cosmos with breathtaking artistry. Here's another captivating fact. Cosmic dust can travel across galaxies. These tiny particles can be propelled by powerful cosmic winds, allowing them to journey vast distances. As they drift from one part of the universe to another, they carry the stories of their origins, acting as cosmic messengers that connect distant worlds. Now, let's consider the role of cosmic dust in the birth of meteor showers. As comets venture close to the sun, they shed dust and debris. When Earth passes through these trails of dust, the particles enter our atmosphere and burn up, creating the dazzling meteor showers we enjoy on clear night skies. It's amazing to think that something as tiny as dust can create such a grand spectacle. Have you ever wondered how cosmic dust affects the brightness of stars? Sometimes, dust can obscure the light from stars, making them appear dimmer. This phenomenon, called interstellar extinction, challenges astronomers as they work to measure the true luminosity and distance of stars. It serves as a reminder of the dust's hidden influence on our observations of the universe. And here's an intriguing thought. Cosmic dust might also play a part in forming complex organic molecules in space. In the cold and dark regions between stars, simple molecules can stick to dust grains and undergo chemical reactions. Over time, these reactions can lead to the formation of more complex organic compounds, some of which might be essential for life. Let me tell you something surprising. Cosmic dust can even affect the temperature of planets. Dust in a planet's atmosphere can reflect sunlight, leading to cooling, or absorb it, leading to warming. This delicate balance can influence a planet's climate and, ultimately, its habitability. It's fascinating to consider how these minuscule particles can have such a significant impact on planetary environments. Moreover, cosmic dust contributes to the mysterious phenomenon known as the cosmic microwave background radiation. This faint glow, a remnant from the Big Bang, is scattered by cosmic dust, helping scientists understand the early universe's conditions. The way dust interacts with this ancient radiation is like a cosmic fingerprint, providing insights into the evolution of the universe. Here's a fact that might surprise you. Cosmic dust can even have a role in the formation of black holes. In regions with high concentrations of dust and gas, the gravitational pull can become so intense that it collapses matter into a singularity, forming a black hole. It's incredible to think that such enigmatic and powerful objects might owe their existence to the humble dust particles. Let me share one more remarkable aspect. Cosmic dust has been discovered on the surface of the Moon. This lunar dust, or regolith, gives the Moon its grey, powdery appearance. By studying this dust, scientists can learn about the history of our solar system and the Moon's formation. The dust on the Moon tells a silent story of impacts and cosmic events dating back billions of years. Did you know that cosmic dust exists not only in outer space, but also in our own atmosphere? It's true. Tiny particles of interstellar dust constantly enter Earth's atmosphere, contributing to the fine mist of microparticles that settle on our planet. They may seem invisible, but they form a bridge between Earth and the vast universe beyond. Speaking of our connection to the cosmos, consider this. Cosmic dust has been found in ancient Antarctic ice. As dust from space settles on Earth's surface, it becomes trapped in ice sheets over millennia. By extracting and analyzing these trapped particles, scientists can trace the history of cosmic dust influx to Earth, offering a glimpse into past cosmic events. And here's a thought to ponder. Cosmic dust particles are incredibly resilient. Despite being bombarded by cosmic rays and harsh space conditions, they can survive for millions of years. This durability allows them to traverse vast cosmic distances, carrying with them the secrets of their long journeys through the universe. As you drift deeper into contemplation, remember that cosmic dust is an integral part of the universe's grand tapestry. Each particle, though minuscule, plays a role in shaping the cosmos, from forming stars and planets to illuminating the night sky with meteor showers. It's a gentle reminder of the interconnectedness of all things, both big and small, in our universe. Let these thoughts accompany you into a peaceful slumber as you dream of the wonders of the cosmos. Did you know that despite being so tiny, cosmic dust particles are incredibly varied in their composition? These particles can be made of silicates, carbon compounds, or even metals. This diversity is a reflection of the different environments from which they originate, each particle a unique piece of the cosmic puzzle. And speaking of variety, another amazing aspect is that these particles can be both electrically charged and neutral. The charged ones interact with magnetic fields, influencing the way they move through space. This dual nature of cosmic dust adds another layer of complexity to their study as scientists unravel how these particles dance through the cosmos. Here's a surprising fact. Cosmic dust can actually help to clean the universe. As stars reach the end of their lives and explode as supernova, they scatter dust far and wide. This dust eventually acts as a sort of cosmic vacuum, absorbing and incorporating other matter it encounters, thus helping to clear the interstellar medium of excess gas and particles. It's fascinating to think of dust as a cosmic janitor, tidying up the universe in its own quiet way. Did you know that cosmic dust is not just a passive passenger in space, but can also play an active role in the chemistry of the universe? In the vast cold voids between stars, these particles provide surfaces where atoms can meet and bond, forming new molecules. This process is crucial for the creation of many of the complex organic molecules that are the building blocks of life. It's a gentle yet profound influence that cosmic dust exerts on the universe's chemistry. And here's something to ponder. Cosmic dust can sometimes act like tiny natural spacecraft. In a process known as the Poynting-Robertson effect, sunlight exerts a force on the dust particles, causing them to spiral slowly into the sun. This journey can take millions of years, providing ample time for these particles to interact with other celestial bodies along the way, like cosmic hitchhikers exploring our solar system. Have you ever imagined that cosmic dust could play a role in the formation of planetary rings? It's true. The rings of planets like Saturn are thought to have formed from dust and ice that were unable to coalesce into a larger body due to the planet's strong gravitational forces. This fine mixture of particles continues to orbit the planet, creating the magnificent rings that we can observe from Earth. Cosmic dust also plays a part in the mysterious glow known as zodiacal light. This faint, triangular glow can be seen in the night sky just after sunset or before sunrise. It's caused by sunlight reflecting off dust particles that lie in the plane of our solar system. These particles create a subtle yet enchanting display that reminds us of the pervasive presence of dust throughout the cosmos. Did you know that cosmic dust has a role in the auroras we see on Earth? While the spectacular lights are primarily caused by charged particles from the Sun interacting with Earth's magnetic field, cosmic dust can enhance these displays. When these tiny particles collide with Earth's atmosphere, they can contribute additional charged particles, adding to the complexity and beauty of the auroras. Here's an intriguing thought. The dust in our solar system might share a common origin with the dust from distant galaxies. The processes that create and disperse cosmic dust are universal, meaning that the particles around us might have been formed in a similar way to those trillions of kilometers away. This connection hints at the shared history of matter in the universe. And speaking of stellar origins, cosmic dust is also crucial in the formation of new stars. In dense regions of space, dust and gas can collapse under gravity to form protostars. The dust plays a key role in radiating away heat, which allows these regions to cool and contract further. Without dust, star formation as we know it might be vastly different. Did you know that cosmic dust can be a time capsule, preserving records of past cosmic events? When dust particles are embedded in ice or rock on Earth, they can remain unchanged for millions of years. By analyzing these ancient particles, scientists can gain insights into the conditions of the early solar system or even the broader universe at different points in time. Here's another fascinating aspect. Cosmic dust affects the colors we perceive in the universe. When light from distant stars travels through dusty regions of space, it can be scattered and absorbed. This process can cause stars to appear redder than they actually are, an effect known as reddening. This subtle shift in color tells astronomers a great deal about the properties of the intervening dust. And finally, consider this. Cosmic dust is a vital component of the solar system's evolution. It carries with it the material from which planets and moons can form. As this dust accumulates over time, it contributes to the growth and development of celestial bodies, shaping the architecture of the solar system. These particles, though small, are integral to the grand cosmic ballet that unfolds over billions of years. As you let these thoughts linger in your mind, imagine the universe not as a vast emptiness, but as a tapestry woven together by countless threads of dust, each one contributing to the beauty and complexity of the cosmos. Let this gentle revelation guide you into a restful sleep, where dreams of stardust and interstellar wonders await. Let me share something intriguing with you. Cosmic dust can be as varied as the stars themselves. Each particle carries its own unique chemical signature, much like a cosmic fingerprint. This diversity arises from the different processes and environments in which the dust is formed. From the fiery ejecta of supernovae to the cold, dense regions of molecular clouds, the origins of cosmic dust are as numerous as the stars in the sky. Did you know that some cosmic dust particles are rich in metals like iron and nickel? These elements are created in the cores of massive stars or during supernova explosions, and they provide a window into the processes occurring in the universe's most violent events. Here's something else to consider. Cosmic dust is incredibly ancient. Some particles are remnants from the primordial clouds that existed before our solar system formed. These ancient grains have journeyed across the cosmos for billions of years, carrying with them stories of the universe's earliest days. Imagine holding a tiny piece of the universe's history in your hand, a relic from a time long before our planet came to be. And speaking of our planet, cosmic dust plays a role closer to home than you might expect. Every day, Earth accumulates more than 10,000 tons of cosmic dust. These particles, traveling at high speeds, burn up in the atmosphere, creating meteors or shooting stars that briefly light up the night sky. It's fascinating to think that the stunning meteor showers we enjoy are brought to us by these minuscule travelers from space. Now, here's a curious phenomenon. Some cosmic dust particles are literally interstellar travelers, crossing the boundaries between different star systems. As stars move through the galaxy, they carry with them clouds of dust that can become dislodged and drift into interstellar space. These nomadic particles might eventually find themselves in a completely new star system, bringing with them the chemical legacy of their origins. Have you ever wondered how cosmic dust impacts our view of the universe? These tiny particles, despite their size, can significantly obscure and redden the light from distant stars, a process known as interstellar extinction. This effect not only changes the apparent color of stars, but also makes them appear dimmer, posing challenges for astronomers trying to study these distant objects. It's a reminder of how even the smallest elements can have a profound impact on our understanding of the cosmos. Here's something you might find surprising. Some of the dust in our solar system was likely delivered by comets. These icy visitors from the outer reaches of the solar system carry with them dust grains that formed in the coldest parts of the solar nebula. When a comet approaches the Sun, it releases gas and dust, adding to the interplanetary dust cloud. This delivery of material from the distant reaches of the solar system enriches the inner regions with new elements and compounds. Let's explore another fascinating detail. Cosmic dust can actually influence the climate of planets. On Earth, for instance, large amounts of dust from asteroid impacts or volcanic eruptions can lead to temporary cooling by blocking sunlight. In other parts of the universe, dust can help regulate temperatures on planets by trapping heat, creating conditions suitable for life. It's incredible to think about how dust, often seen as a nuisance here on Earth, can be a life-sustaining factor elsewhere in the universe. Speaking of life, did you know that cosmic dust may have played a crucial role in the development of life on Earth? Some theories suggest that organic molecules on cosmic dust particles could have been delivered to the early Earth, providing the essential building blocks for life. This idea hints at a fundamental connection between the stars and the very origins of life on our planet, a cosmic link that ties us to the universe in a deeply profound way. Cosmic dust also has its own unique way of interacting with light, known as polarization. This effect occurs when light waves become aligned in a particular direction as they pass through or reflect off dust grains. By studying polarization, astronomers can gain insights into the magnetic fields and structure of the interstellar medium, further unraveling the mysteries of our galaxy. And here's a whimsical thought to leave you with. Some of the most precious gemstones on Earth, like diamonds, might have cosmic origins. Tiny diamonds have been found in meteorites, and these extraterrestrial gems could have formed in the high-pressure environments of stars or during the violent explosions of supernovae. Picture that. The sparkle of a diamond on Earth might be a gift from the cosmos, a shimmering link to the stars. As we drift into the quiet night, let the thought of cosmic dust and its many surprises wrap around you like a gentle blanket. Each particle is a storyteller, whispering tales of the universe's past and its infinite possibilities. May these whispers guide your dreams tonight as you journey through the stardust-laden pathways of the cosmos. Imagine for a moment the intricate dance of cosmic dust within the vast expanse of the universe. This dance isn't just a random flurry. It's guided by cosmic forces like gravity and magnetism, shaping the dust into clouds and filaments that span light years. These structures can be as delicate as the tendrils of a spider's web, or as dense as a wall of fog, and they serve as the nurseries for new stars and planets. Just think about it. The building blocks of entire worlds are hidden within these seemingly insubstantial clouds. Did you know that cosmic dust has a hand in sculpting the rings of planets like Saturn? These rings, so breathtakingly beautiful, are partially composed of dust left over from comets, asteroids, and even the moons that orbit the planet. The dust particles collide and clump together, creating the stunning bands that we see from Earth. It's a celestial artist's masterpiece, painted over millions of years. Speaking of planets, have you ever wondered how cosmic dust might impact atmospheres elsewhere in the universe? On Mars, dust storms are a frequent occurrence, capable of engulfing the entire planet in a rusty haze. These storms are driven by solar heating and can lift fine dust particles high into the atmosphere, affecting the planet's climate and even the operations of rovers exploring its surface. These dust-laden winds are a reminder of how dynamic and ever-changing planetary environments can be. And here's a thought-provoking concept. Cosmic dust can act as a catalyst for chemical reactions in space. Ice-coated dust grains in the frigid void between stars can foster the formation of complex organic molecules when exposed to radiation. These molecules are the precursors to life, suggesting that the seeds of life could be sown across the universe by these tiny particles drifting silently through the cosmic night. Have you ever considered the essential role cosmic dust plays in the formation of water in space? When dust particles are coated with a thin layer of ice, they can facilitate the synthesis of water molecules through interactions with hydrogen and oxygen atoms. This process contributes to the abundance of water ice in comets and on the surfaces of distant moons, hinting at the potential for life-supporting environments beyond Earth. Let me share something interesting. Cosmic dust is not uniform in its composition. It can vary widely, depending on its origins. Some dust is carbon-rich, while others might be silicate-based. This diversity provides clues about the environments in which the dust was formed, whether in the fiery birth of a star or in the serene emptiness of interstellar space. These variations offer a peek into the complex chemistry that permeates the universe. Another fascinating aspect of cosmic dust is its ability to generate infrared radiation. As dust absorbs light from stars, it heats up and re-emits the energy in the infrared spectrum. This makes dusty regions of space glow in infrared light, allowing astronomers to peer into these otherwise obscured areas with specialized telescopes. It's like having a pair of cosmic night vision goggles, revealing the hidden wonders of the universe. Here's a curious phenomenon. Certain cosmic dust particles are shaped like tiny, irregularly spun grains, which can influence how light is scattered and polarized. This unique property has become a valuable tool for astronomers, helping them to map magnetic fields across our galaxy and beyond. It's as if, by studying these tiny particles, we can unravel the threads of the cosmic tapestry. And speaking of tiny particles, did you know that cosmic dust is often smaller than the width of a human hair? Despite their minuscule size, they can have a massive impact on planetary systems, influencing everything from weather patterns to the formation of new celestial bodies. These particles might be diminutive, but their cumulative effect is profound. Can you imagine the journey a single dust particle might undertake? Blasted from the surface of a dying star, it might travel for millions of years before being drawn into a new star system, where it becomes part of a planet forming around a young sun. This cycle of dust is a testament to the universe's ability to recycle and renew, constantly reshaping itself over eons. Here's a whimsical fact. Cosmic dust can create beautiful halos around stars. As light from a star passes through a surrounding dust cloud, it can scatter and disperse, creating a luminous halo that encircles the star. These halos can vary in color and intensity, offering a glimpse into the conditions of the star's immediate environment. Dust also plays a surprising role in the life cycle of comets. As a comet approaches the sun, it warms up and releases gas and dust, forming a glowing coma and tail. The dust tail, pushed by solar radiation, can stretch millions of kilometers into space, creating a spectacular display visible from Earth. This cosmic shedding process enriches the interplanetary medium, adding to the solar system's dynamic complexity. Finally, consider the idea that cosmic dust might help us unlock the secrets of the early universe. By studying ancient dust grains trapped within meteorites, scientists can gather clues about the conditions that existed just after the Big Bang. These tiny relics serve as time capsules, holding valuable information from the dawn of time. As you drift off to sleep, let these thought-provoking facts about cosmic dust guide your dreams. Picture the immense journeys these particles take, the stories they tell, and the mysterious beauty they bring to the cosmos. May your night be filled with wonder as you ponder the secrets of the stardust that connects us all. Picture this: the very air you breathe on Earth contains remnants of cosmic dust. Every day, approximately 40,000 metric tons of this extraterrestrial material settles on our planet. It's fascinating to think about, isn't it? These tiny particles, drifting down from the cosmos, become part of our world, mingling with terrestrial elements. Next time you take a deep breath, consider that a bit of the universe might be swirling around you. Speaking of cosmic connections, did you know that cosmic dust is instrumental in the process of star formation? When interstellar dust clouds collapse under gravity, they can form dense cores that eventually ignite nuclear fusion, birthing new stars. This transformative journey from dust to star is like witnessing the universe's own version of a phoenix rising from the ashes. These dust clouds serve as the cradles of stellar life, nurturing young stars in their early stages. Now, here's a thought-provoking aspect. Cosmic dust particles can be incredibly ancient, older than our own solar system. Some of these particles, known as pre-solar grains, were forged in other star systems and have traveled across the galaxy for billions of years before becoming part of the dust floating through interstellar space. Imagine the stories these ancient grains could tell, having witnessed the birth and death of stars and the evolution of galaxies. On the subject of ancient origins, did you realize that cosmic dust played a crucial role in the formation of our solar system? The solar nebula, a swirling disk of gas and dust, provided the building blocks for the planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. Over time, these dust particles coalesced, forming larger and larger aggregates until they became planets and moons. This cosmic construction project was a masterpiece in celestial architecture. Let me share another intriguing fact with you. Cosmic dust can be found not just in space, but also in unexpected places on Earth. In fact, scientists have discovered traces of cosmic dust in Antarctic ice and deep-sea sediments, where it has accumulated over millennia. These terrestrial repositories serve as natural archives, preserving cosmic dust that fell to Earth long ago. Researchers study these samples to gain insights into the history of our solar system and beyond. Speaking of far-reaching influence, cosmic dust is not only involved in star formation, but also in planet formation. When dust particles collide and stick together in the protoplanetary disks around young stars, they form planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. These planetesimals continue to grow as gravity pulls in more material, eventually leading to the formation of full-fledged planets. Without cosmic dust, the planets we know today might never have come into existence. Have you ever wondered about the role of cosmic dust in sustaining life on Earth? Interestingly, when cosmic dust enters our atmosphere, it can provide essential nutrients like iron and phosphorus to ocean ecosystems. These nutrients stimulate phytoplankton growth, forming the base of the marine food web and contributing to the overall health of our planet's oceans. In this way, Cosmic dust supports life in a subtle yet significant manner. Here's something you might find surprising. The beautiful auroras we see in polar regions are partly influenced by cosmic dust. As charged particles from the Sun interact with Earth's magnetic field, they can collide with cosmic dust in the upper atmosphere, creating the mesmerizing light displays known as the Northern and Southern Lights. These natural light shows are a breathtaking reminder of the interplay between our planet and the cosmos. Did you know that cosmic dust can also have an impact on Earth's climate? When volcanic eruptions send dust and ash into the stratosphere, the particles can reflect sunlight, leading to temporary cooling of the planet. Similarly, dust from space can contribute to this effect by scattering sunlight. These processes illustrate how cosmic and terrestrial events can intertwine, affecting the delicate balance of Earth's environment. Another surprising fact is that cosmic dust particles can carry tiny amounts of water. This water is often trapped within the mineral structure of the dust grains, having been incorporated during their formation in the cold regions of space. As these particles enter Earth's atmosphere, they can release this water, adding to our planet's rich reservoir. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of our planet with the vast cosmos. Imagine this. Cosmic dust can even play a role in the formation of certain minerals on Earth. When these particles enter the atmosphere and burn up as meteors, they can leave behind elemental traces that interact with the surrounding environment. Over time, these interactions can lead to the formation of rare minerals, offering a glimpse into the complex chemistry of both space and our own planet. Did you ever consider that cosmic dust affects the color of the sky? The scattering of sunlight by atmospheric particles, including cosmic dust, contributes to the rich array of colors we see during sunrise and sunset. The next time you gaze at a vibrant orange or pink sky, think about the cosmic contributions that help paint that celestial canvas. And here's a final thought to ponder as sleep gently tugs at your eyelids. Cosmic dust is a constant reminder of our connection to the universe. These tiny, ancient particles carry the echoes of distant stars and galaxies, binding us to the cosmos in ways both subtle and profound. As you close your eyes, let the wonder of cosmic dust inspire dreams of distant worlds and the mysteries that lie beyond the stars, knitting together the fabric of the universe in ways that are as magical as they are infinite. Imagine for a moment that every time you take a breath, you might be inhaling remnants of stars. Cosmic dust particles are so incredibly small that they can easily become part of the air we breathe. As these particles drift through our atmosphere, they eventually settle down, sometimes landing on your windowsill or even on your skin. It's a humbling thought that we are, quite literally, stardust made manifest. Speaking of surprising connections, did you know that cosmic dust contributes to the formation of clouds? These tiny particles act as nuclei around which water vapor condenses, leading to the formation of cloud droplets. Without them, our skies might look very different, with far fewer clouds painting patterns across the heavens. And in this way, cosmic dust helps regulate our planet's weather and climate, a subtle but essential influence on our daily lives. Now, let's consider something that seems straight out of a science fiction novel. Cosmic dust can carry organic compounds. These complex molecules, which are the building blocks of life, hitch a ride on dust particles through space. When you think about the potential for these organic molecules to seed other planets, you can imagine the tantalizing possibility that cosmic dust might play a role in spreading life throughout the universe. Another intriguing detail is that cosmic dust doesn't only affect the formation of planets and stars, but it also plays a role in the formation of galaxies themselves. In the early universe, cosmic dust helped cool down hot gas, allowing it to clump together and form the first stars and galaxies. The role of cosmic dust in these grand cosmic structures is a beautiful example of how even the smallest elements can have a tremendous impact on the universe's evolution. Here's a thought-provoking notion. Cosmic dust can act as a record of supernovae, those spectacular explosions marking the end of a star's life. When a star explodes, it ejects vast amounts of material, including dust, into space. This freshly minted cosmic dust carries the unique fingerprints of the elements produced in the supernova, serving as a galactic archive of stellar death and rebirth. Have you ever wondered how cosmic dust is detected in space? Scientists use a variety of methods, including specialized instruments on spacecraft and telescopes that can observe the infrared light emitted by the dust. This remote sensing allows researchers to map out cosmic dust clouds, revealing the structure and dynamics of our galaxy. It's like having a cosmic X-ray, showing us what's hidden in the dark reaches of space. Another fascinating aspect of cosmic dust is its role in the mysterious phenomenon known as cosmic rays. These rays, composed of high-energy particles from outer space, can interact with cosmic dust as they travel through the galaxy. The interaction sometimes results in secondary particles that reach Earth, giving us clues about the nature and origins of cosmic rays. Can you imagine a cosmic dust particle as tiny as a virus? Some of the smallest cosmic dust particles measure just a few nanometers across, akin to the size of a virus particle. Despite their minute size, these particles can travel vast distances across the galaxy, crossing the voids of space and enduring the passage of time like cosmic wanderers on an endless journey. It's also worth noting that cosmic dust can tell us about the atmospheres of other planets. When dust grains are carried by solar winds and end up interacting with planetary atmospheres, they can provide insights into the composition and dynamics of those atmospheres. This is particularly interesting when studying exoplanets, where cosmic dust might be one of the few clues we have about their potential for habitability. And here's something truly mesmerizing. Cosmic dust is responsible for the ethereal glow of the zodiacal light. This faint, triangular-shaped glow can be seen in the night sky just before dawn or after dusk, caused by sunlight reflecting off cosmic dust particles that orbit the sun. This celestial glow is a gentle reminder of the dust that pervades our solar system, weaving a shimmering thread across the fabric of the cosmos. What's even more astonishing is that cosmic dust has been found in meteorites on Earth. When meteorites are carefully examined, they sometimes reveal tiny grains of stardust, remnants of ancient stars that predate our solar system. These pre-solar grains are like cosmic time capsules, offering a glimpse into the distant past and the processes that occurred in other star systems long before our sun was born. And lastly, let's not forget the poetic notion that cosmic dust can be seen as the universe's attempt at art. The interplay of light and dust creates stunning visual phenomena such as nebulae, those vibrant clouds of gas and dust that adorn our galaxy. These cosmic masterpieces are a testament to the universe's boundless creativity, where even the smallest particles come together to create breathtaking beauty. As you let these thoughts drift through your mind, remember that cosmic dust is both a physical entity and a metaphor for our connection to the universe. These particles tell a story that transcends time and space, weaving a narrative that connects us to the stars and invites us to dream about the infinite possibilities that lie beyond. As you settle into sleep, let the wonders of cosmic dust guide your dreams through the vast expanse of the cosmos, where each tiny particle is a testament to the endless wonders of the universe. This might sound like something out of a science fiction tale, but in reality, cosmic dust can absorb or scatter harmful ultraviolet radiation from stars. This protective quality can help preserve atmospheres on planets and potentially safeguard any forms of life from harsh stellar emissions. Imagine the universe as a vast, starry umbrella, where cosmic dust plays a role in keeping it safe beneath its canopy. Speaking of protection, have you ever considered how cosmic dust influences the chemistry of interstellar space? These tiny particles serve as catalysts for various chemical reactions, promoting the formation of complex molecules in the cold, dark regions between stars. Without these dust grains, many of the organic molecules essential for life might never form, leaving the universe a much less hospitable place. Here's something that might surprise you. Cosmic dust particles can be electrically charged. In the vacuum of space, dust grains can accumulate static electricity, much like how you might build up a charge by shuffling across a carpet. This electric charge can affect their interactions with other particles and magnetic fields, creating a dynamic dance of attraction and repulsion across the cosmos. And did you know that cosmic dust contributes to the formation of snow on Earth? High above our planet, tiny dust particles act as nuclei around which ice crystals can form. These crystals eventually fall as snowflakes, adding a cosmic touch to the winter wonderland we experience on the ground. Imagine that. The delicate snowflakes that blanket your world may have their origins among the stars. Consider the idea that cosmic dust can also influence the color of light we see in space. When starlight passes through regions filled with dust, it can scatter or absorb certain wavelengths of light, causing stars to appear redder, a phenomenon known as interstellar reddening. This effect provides astronomers with valuable clues about the distance and composition of dust clouds, helping us map out the vast reaches of our galaxy. Have you ever pondered how cosmic dust interacts with Earth's atmosphere? When dust particles from space enter our atmosphere, they often burn up, creating meteors that streak across the night sky. These shooting stars are a beautiful reminder of the constant influx of cosmic material onto our planet. It's like the universe is continually sending us tiny messages from the stars. Another intriguing thought is that cosmic dust plays a role in the auroras that dance across polar skies. Charged particles from the sun interact with Earth's magnetic field, and when they encounter dust particles, they can create spectacular displays of light, painting the sky with curtains of green, red, and violet. The next time you gaze at the auroras, remember that cosmic dust is part of the magic. Have you ever heard that cosmic dust can help scientists understand the early solar system? By studying the isotopic composition of dust particles collected from comets and asteroids, researchers can glean insights into the materials that existed in the primordial cloud from which our solar system formed. These ancient dust grains are like tiny fragments of a cosmic puzzle, waiting to be pieced together to reveal the history of our own celestial neighborhood. Consider the notion that cosmic dust influences the habitability of distant worlds. In young planetary systems, dust can form disks around stars, providing the raw materials for planet formation. The presence and distribution of dust in these disks can shape the development of planets and their potential to support life. It's fascinating to think that somewhere out there, cosmic dust might be laying the groundwork for new Earth-like planets. Did you know that cosmic dust is responsible for a particular type of glow known as the Gegenschein? This faint glow appears directly opposite the sun in the sky and is created by sunlight reflecting off cosmic dust particles in the solar system. It's a subtle phenomenon that reminds us of the pervasive presence of dust between us and the sun, quietly illuminating the night. And here's a curious fact. Cosmic dust can contribute to climate change on Earth. When large quantities of dust are deposited in the atmosphere, they can reflect sunlight back into space, causing temporary cooling. This effect has been observed following large volcanic eruptions, which inject vast amounts of dust and ash into the atmosphere, demonstrating how cosmic influences can reach right into our day-to-day weather patterns. Speaking of cooling, did you know that cosmic dust helps cool stars during their formation? As stars form from collapsing clouds of gas and dust, the dust helps to radiate away heat, allowing the gas to compress further and ignite nuclear fusion. Without this cooling effect, the formation of stars would be much less efficient, altering the balance of the cosmos. Have you ever contemplated the idea that cosmic dust can tell us about the movement of stars? Dust clouds can obscure our view of stars and galaxies, but by mapping these clouds, scientists can infer the presence and movement of celestial bodies lurking within. It's like trying to decipher a hidden pattern in the shadows, revealing the secret choreography of the universe. Lastly, consider the notion that cosmic dust might have played a role in the extinction of the dinosaurs. Some scientists believe that a massive dust cloud, generated by an asteroid impact, could have shrouded Earth in darkness, leading to the dramatic climate changes that contributed to the dinosaurs' demise. This cosmic connection between dust and the fate of life on Earth is a reminder of how linked we are to the vast universe beyond our planet. As you ponder these thoughts, let the quiet presence of cosmic dust guide your imagination across the stars, where even the tiniest particles weave an intricate tapestry of wonder and mystery. Let your dreams carry you on a gentle journey through the universe, cradled by the celestial dust that binds us all. Imagine the sheer scale of cosmic dust in our universe. In our own Milky Way galaxy, it's estimated that there are about 100 million times more dust particles than stars. Each tiny speck plays a role, however small, in shaping the cosmos. These particles are like the brushstrokes of a cosmic artist, painting the galaxy with their subtle influences. Speaking of artistry, did you know that cosmic dust can create beautiful halos around stars? This phenomenon occurs when the dust scatters light, forming a glowing halo that can be observed by telescopes. It's like each star is adorned with a delicate aura, a testament to the ethereal beauty of the universe. Here's something thought-provoking. Cosmic dust can contain simple organic compounds, the building blocks of life. These compounds have been found in meteorites and comets, suggesting that the ingredients for life could be scattered throughout the galaxy, hitching rides on dust particles across vast distances. Imagine the potential for life to arise wherever these particles find a hospitable environment. And speaking of the journey of dust, consider the incredible distances it can travel. Some dust particles have been traced back to supernovae explosions thousands of light years away, carried across the galaxy by stellar winds. It's astonishing to think that the remnants of distant stars are part of the very environment that surrounds us. On the topic of origins, did you know that our solar system was once just a swirling disk of gas and cosmic dust? Over millions of years, this material gradually coalesced to form the planets, moons, and other celestial bodies we know today. Imagine the immense patience of nature, crafting intricate worlds from the simplest of beginnings. And here's another fascinating tidbit. Cosmic dust is not uniform. It comes in different shapes and sizes, from tiny grains to larger, more complex aggregates. Each particle has a unique story, a testament to the diverse processes that create, and shape them across the universe. Let's delve into the intriguing relationship between cosmic dust and water. Scientists have discovered that dust can facilitate the formation of water molecules in space. When dust grains interact with hydrogen and oxygen atoms, they can act as catalysts, sparking the creation of water. Imagine the cosmic dance, where dust and atoms come together to form the essential ingredient for life. Speaking of life, did you know that cosmic dust can act as a protector for nascent planetary systems? Dust in the protoplanetary disks around young stars can shield developing planets from harmful radiation, providing safe havens where life might eventually develop. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, consider the role of cosmic dust in star formation. These tiny particles contribute to the cooling and fragmentation of gas clouds, making it possible for stars to form in clusters rather than isolation. This clustering is crucial as it increases the likelihood of planet formation and, consequently, the potential for life. And here's a mind-bending fact. Some of the dust in our solar system is older than the Sun itself. These ancient grains, known as pre-solar grains, offer a glimpse into the conditions that existed before our solar system came into being. Moving from the ancient to the ephemeral, have you ever noticed the zodiacal light? It's a faint, triangular glow visible in the night sky just before dawn or after dusk, caused by sunlight scattering off cosmic dust in the plane of our solar system. This gentle light is a reminder of the quiet presence of dust, seamlessly blending into our everyday celestial views. Speaking of light, did you know that cosmic dust can obscure entire galaxies? These dust clouds can absorb and scatter light, making some galaxies nearly invisible to our eyes. It's like a cosmic game of hide and seek, where even the largest structures can be concealed by the smallest particles. As we conclude our exploration tonight, reflect on the delicate balance that cosmic dust maintains in the universe. It can both obscure and reveal, protect and destroy, influence and be influenced. This duality is at the heart of its existence, weaving it into the very fabric of the cosmos. And as you drift into dreams, consider the dust that surrounds you, not just on Earth, but throughout the universe. Each particle tells a story, a whisper of the stars and the mysteries they hold. Allow your imagination to wander through these cosmic tales, cradled by the stardust that connects us all to the vastness of space. Let me share something intriguing with you. Cosmic dust plays a key role in the creation of planets. During the early stages of planetary formation, dust particles stick together, forming larger and larger clumps. Over time, these clumps become the building blocks of planets. Imagine the humble beginnings of a planet, starting from something as small as a grain of dust. Here's a fascinating thought. Some of the dust found on Earth did not originate from our solar system. Interplanetary dust, traveling over vast distances, occasionally makes its way to our planet. These tiny travelers bring with them stories from other parts of the galaxy, like cosmic messengers delivering tales from afar. Speaking of travel, did you know that cosmic dust can move at incredible speeds? Some particles zip through space at thousands of kilometers per hour, propelled by solar winds and gravitational forces. It's a reminder of the dynamic, ever-changing nature of our universe, where even the smallest particles are on a continuous journey. On the topic of speed, consider this. Every day, Earth is bombarded by approximately 40,000 tons of cosmic dust. These particles rain down upon us quietly and persistently, a gentle reminder of our connection to the cosmos. It's as if the universe is softly dusting our planet with traces of its vastness. And here's something marvelous. Cosmic dust can influence the weather on planets. On Earth, for example, dust particles can act as nuclei for cloud formation. This interplay between dust and atmosphere highlights the intricate connections that exist between celestial and terrestrial processes, a beautiful dance between space and Earth. Speaking of Earth's skies, have you ever seen a meteor shower? The brilliant streaks of light are caused by cosmic dust particles burning up as they enter our atmosphere. These spectacular displays are a vivid reminder of the dust's presence, transforming our night sky into a canvas of fleeting beauty. Now, let's consider the role of dust in preserving the history of our solar system. Dust trapped in ice cores or sediment layers can offer clues about past climates and cosmic events. It's like a natural archive, recording the passages of time and helping us piece together the story of our planet. Did you know that cosmic dust can also be a source of precious metals? Some dust particles contain tiny amounts of elements like gold, platinum, and iridium, which can accumulate in certain geological formations over time. Imagine the wealth of cosmic riches hidden within the Earth's layers, waiting to be uncovered. And here's a curious fact. Cosmic dust contributes to the coloration of planetary atmospheres. On Mars, for instance, the presence of iron-rich dust gives the sky its characteristic reddish hue. This interplay of light and dust creates a unique visual signature for each celestial body, painting the universe with a palette of colors. Speaking of colors, did you know that cosmic dust can produce beautiful iridescent clouds, known as noctilucent clouds? These rare phenomena occur at the edge of space, where dust particles reflect sunlight, creating shimmering displays that captivate sky gazers. It's a testament to the delicate beauty that dust can impart on our world. Now, let us marvel at the possibility that cosmic dust might contain clues about the origins of life. Some particles are thought to harbor complex organic molecules that could have played a role in the emergence of life on Earth. Imagine these tiny seeds of potential sprinkled throughout the universe, carrying the promise of life to distant worlds. On the subject of origins, did you know that cosmic dust helps trace the history of the universe? By studying the composition and distribution of dust, astronomers can gain insights into the processes that shaped galaxies, stars, and planets. It's like piecing together a grand cosmic puzzle, with each particle a crucial part of the picture. Speaking of grand scales, consider how cosmic dust influences the evolution of galaxies. Dust plays a significant role in star formation and the dynamics of galactic structures. Its presence affects how galaxies grow and change over time, making it a fundamental component of cosmic evolution. As we reflect on the profound impact of cosmic dust, think about its ability to connect us to the stars. Every particle of dust is a fragment of the cosmos, a piece of the universe's story that weaves through time and space. Let your imagination wander through this celestial tapestry, where the dust of stars intertwines with the essence of our being. Now, as you carry these thoughts into your dreams, picture yourself surrounded by the soft glow of cosmic dust. Each particle whispers tales of distant worlds and ancient stars, inviting you to explore the mysteries of the universe. Embrace the gentle touch of stardust and let it guide you on a soothing journey through the cosmos, where every speck holds the secrets of creation and the promise of endless discovery. Did you know that the journey of cosmic dust begins within the fiery hearts of stars? When stars reach the end of their life cycle, they explode in magnificent supernovae or shed their outer layers in gentle stellar winds. These processes release vast amounts of dust into space, creating a cosmic dust cloud that contains elements formed during the star's lifetime. Each dust particle is a tiny relic of a star's history, carrying within it elements like carbon, oxygen, and silicon. Speaking of elements, here's a surprising fact. Nearly half of the light we see in the universe is absorbed and re-emitted by cosmic. This process plays a crucial role in the energy balance of galaxies and helps regulate their temperature. Without dust, many celestial structures would appear vastly different, bathed in harsh starlight rather than the gentle glow we often perceive. Imagine, if you can, the delicate dance of dust particles in the vastness of space. These tiny specks can collide, stick together, and form larger grains, a process known as coagulation. Over time, this accumulation of dust can lead to the formation of protoplanetary disks, the birthplaces of new planets and stars. It's like witnessing the creation of worlds from the smallest of building blocks. And speaking of creation, did you know that cosmic dust can harbor water ice? In the cold depths of space, dust grains can accumulate layers of ice, providing a crucial reservoir of water. This ice could be essential for supporting life on other planets or moons, a cosmic pantry stocked with one of life's most vital ingredients. Here's something that might surprise you. Cosmic dust can be a source of essential nutrients for life on Earth. As dust particles enter our atmosphere, they can release minerals like iron, which are crucial for the growth of phytoplankton in the ocean. These microscopic organisms form the base of the ocean's food chain, highlighting the interconnectedness of life and the cosmos. Imagine that, a grain of dust falling from space to nourish life in the deep blue sea. And speaking of nourishment, did you know that different types of cosmic dust can produce varied aromas? Though we can't smell them directly in space, scientists have discovered that certain molecules in dust grains can resemble scents like raspberries and rum. It's a tantalizing thought that the cosmos might have its own bouquet of fragrances hiding in the depths of the universe. Turning our gaze to the stars, have you ever wondered how dust can influence the color of the light we see? Dust scatters and absorbs light in specific ways, often causing a reddening effect known as interstellar reddening. This phenomenon can make distant stars and galaxies appear redder than they are, altering our perception of the universe's true colors. It's as if cosmic dust is nature's filter, tinting the canvas of the night sky. And speaking of tints, here's a delightful fact. Dust clouds can glow in the infrared spectrum, revealing hidden structures in our galaxy. By using special infrared telescopes, astronomers can peer through these dusty regions to discover new stars and galaxies, unveiling secrets that are invisible to the naked eye. Did you know that cosmic dust can be electrically charged? As dust particles move through space, they can accumulate electrical charges, influencing their behavior and interactions. This charge can affect how dust clumps together, how it's transported by magnetic fields, and even how it interacts with planetary atmospheres. It's a reminder of the complex forces at play in the universe, where even the smallest particles are subject to the laws of physics. And speaking of interactions, consider this. Cosmic dust can act as a catalyst for chemical reactions in space. Within dense dust clouds, simple molecules can combine to form more complex compounds, including organic molecules that are the building blocks of life. This chemical alchemy sets the stage for the potential emergence of life beyond Earth, a cosmic laboratory where dust plays a starring role. Here's a thought to ponder. Cosmic dust can survive for millions or even billions of years. Some dust particles have traveled through the galaxy for eons, witnessing the birth and death of stars, the formation of planets, and the evolution of galaxies. These ancient travelers carry with them a record of the universe's history, offering clues about the processes that have shaped our cosmic neighborhood. It's like holding a piece of time itself, frozen in a microscopic grain. And speaking of timelessness, did you know that cosmic dust can sculpt beautiful structures in space, such as the ethereal pillars seen in the Eagle Nebula? These stunning formations are shaped by the erosion of dense dust clouds by intense stellar winds and radiation. They stand as monuments to the dynamic processes that govern the universe, where dust and light work in harmony to create breathtaking views. Lastly, let us consider the profound impact of cosmic dust on our understanding of the cosmos. By studying dust, scientists can learn about the life cycle of stars, the formation of planets, and the evolution of galaxies. It's a window into the universe's grand narrative, where each dust particle contributes to a greater story. As you drift into slumber, perhaps you can feel the gentle presence of cosmic dust around you, an invisible thread that connects you to the stars. Let your dreams take flight on the wings of stardust, where the mysteries of the universe unfold in a dance of light and shadow, carrying you to the farthest reaches of space and time. Speaking of cosmic wonders, did you know that cosmic dust not only contributes to our understanding of the universe, but also creates beautiful celestial phenomena like zodiacal light? This faint glow appears in the night sky shortly before sunrise or after sunset, and is caused by sunlight scattering off interplanetary dust particles. It's a subtle reminder of the presence of dust even in our own solar system, painting the sky with its gentle shimmer. Here's an intriguing thought. Cosmic dust plays a role in the formation of comets. As these icy bodies travel through the solar system, they gather dust particles along the way. When a comet approaches the sun, the heat causes the ice to vaporize, releasing the dust and forming the iconic glowing tail. It's as if cosmic dust is the artist, crafting the tale that captures our imaginations. Speaking of artistry, did you know that cosmic dust can help us measure the age of certain celestial objects? By studying the accumulation of dust on celestial bodies like asteroids, scientists can estimate their age and gain insights into the history of our solar system. It's like learning to read the lines of an ancient manuscript, where each layer of dust tells a story of time past. Another surprising fact: cosmic dust can contribute to the creation of shooting stars. When tiny dust particles enter Earth's atmosphere, they burn up due to friction with the air, creating the streaks of light we call meteors. It's a tiny spectacle that transforms an ordinary night into a starry show, all thanks to grains of dust making their fiery journey through the sky. And speaking of journeys, consider this. Cosmic dust can be found beyond the Milky Way, scattered throughout intergalactic space. These particles can travel vast distances, crossing the void between galaxies and giving scientists clues about the composition of distant cosmic regions. Imagine the odyssey of a dust particle, journeying across the universe, connecting galaxies like threads in a cosmic tapestry. Here's a delightful fact. Cosmic dust can be a treasure trove for scientists studying the early solar system. By examining the isotopic compositions of dust grains, researchers can trace their origins back to different types of stars, providing a snapshot of the material that contributed to the formation of our cosmic neighborhood. It's like piecing together a puzzle of the past, where each dust grain holds a fragment of the story. Did you know that cosmic dust can have a cooling effect on Earth? Dust particles that settle in the atmosphere can reflect sunlight back into space, helping to moderate the planet's temperature. This natural phenomenon acts like a protective veil, reminding us of the delicate balance between cosmic forces and life on Earth. In another fascinating twist, cosmic dust can be found in abundance in the rings of Saturn. These iconic rings are composed of countless particles of ice and dust, creating a stunning display visible even from Earth. The rings are a testament to the beauty and complexity of cosmic dust, transforming the planet into a celestial artwork. Speaking of beauty, have you ever wondered about the role of cosmic dust in the formation of star clusters? Within dense dust clouds, regions of higher concentration can collapse under gravity to form clusters of stars. These stellar nurseries are cradles of creation, where the interplay of dust and gas births new celestial bodies, continuing the cycle of life in the cosmos. And here's a humbling thought. Cosmic dust is a reminder of the universe's vastness and our place within it. With every new discovery, dust particles reveal the interconnectedness of all things, from the tiniest grains to the largest galaxies. As you ponder the mysteries of the universe, let the stories of cosmic dust inspire awe and wonder, a gentle lullaby from the cosmos as you drift off into the realm of dreams.